So today's song is one from The Greatest Showman. It's Rewrite the Stars. I'm going to start off by getting both hands into the right position, thumbs onto the middle C. You're going to need an F sharp on the fourth finger here on your right hand, but other than that, all the fingers are using white notes. So each phrase starts with the G on your fourth finger here on the left hand, and the very first one is going to go G, A, G, and up to your right hand, using the G, F sharp, and then D, C. So you're basically walking down all these notes, but you're just skipping the middle finger here. So if I do that all together. Okay, that's the first phrase. That's the bit that goes with the words Rewrite the Stars. And this phrase comes back quite a few times in the piece. So I'll just play it one more time. And the second phrase starts very similar, again with that G. And then we're going to go to the right hand on E, the one we skipped a minute ago. And back down to the G again. Okay, so if I do both of those two phrases put together. E. Okay, the third phrase is the same as the first one again. So it's the. And then the fourth one, again back to the G. Then we're going to go D to G. Same again, and A next to it. Okay, so I play all of that up to there so far. Okay, and then the next bit is going to again start with that G. I'm going to go G, A, B, B. Same again. And then G, A, G. And then we're going to go back to your right hand. So that's E, D, and another D. And then walk on down with your left hand. So if I do all of that put together, that little middle bit. Okay, and then the last bit is again going to go back to that very first phrase. And then to finish it off, again with the G, D this time, and walking on down, finishing with two Gs. So that last little bit, I play that one more time. And that's it. So I'll play the whole thing so you can hear it goes all put together. And that's it. So you can subscribe to my channel to see more of the videos I've done so far, and if you'd like to hit the like button or leave a comment, that would be brilliant. Have fun!